Okay, so what we are doing today is if you go to Schoology in the week ending 3/26, there is now a picture here called Color Worksheet. You need to open it. You can copy it. And then I need you to go down to the search bar and type in Photoshop. It'll come up and say Adobe Photoshop. Now, if you are not logged in, if you happen to be at a new computer not logged in, it is going to come up and ask you for a username and a password. Your username is your student email address for the school. If you don't know where to find that, it is in Schoology. Your password is the same password that you log on to the computer. If you have any problems, just let me know. Once you are here, you're going to go to New File. And it comes up and it should say Clipboard. If you have copied and pasted the picture already, it will say Clipboard because it knows what's on the clipboard. So if I just click on this, it's going to be the exact same size. All right, so the way you need to do this is using the information you had yesterday. You need to go to the fourth one down. You right click on it and it will give you these options. Make sure that you choose the magic wand. When you do that, make sure that this layer is selected and you select one of the circles. All right. Whatever color you want it to be. You see down here you have two colors. If I double click on this, I get a color picker. So whatever color I want it to be, I'm going to click it and hit OK, and you can see that down here it changes it to that color. If you go to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13th one down, and you right click, there is something called the paint bucket tool. When you are in the paint bucket now, I can click on it and it will turn that color. You need to do that for all of the dark lines. So on this one, it would be these three. On this one, it's these three. On this one, it's all 6 of them, but it is the tertiary colors. So please look up what they are. This is example of warm colors. This is example of cool colors. Complementary colors, will do all 6 of them. You will do 2 here, 2 here, and 2 here. Analogous colors example, analogous colors example, analogous colors example. Once you are done, you need to save it as DL2-5-3 and turn it in. Oh, the other thing is to get rid of the dancing ants. Is that you see the dancing ants there? You have to hit Control D for deselect. That will allow you to select the next one. Okay? If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.